Introducing Road Insights by NIRA Dynamics, your pathway to unparalleled road safety and maintenance efficiency, harnessing the power of connected vehicle data for a clearer journey ahead. With the introduction of Road Insights, our customers will get an even better understanding of their road network, combined with an improved workflow. With road health, spotting and addressing road damages has never been easier. Our intuitive GUI highlights issues in real time, transforming data into action by directly sending inspection orders to field teams. From detection to repair, road health ensures our roads stay safer, making cities happier and more connected. Winter Road Insights offers a retrospective look at yesterday's conditions and operations, analyzing weather impacts and maintenance effectiveness. Making informed adjustments for future operations, like optimizing salt distribution, leads to more effective maintenance and environmental care. From insights to precise action, Winter Road Insights empowers operators to enhance road safety and sustainability. At the core of Road Insights are data from connected vehicles, providing a rich foundation for our groundbreaking solutions. Road Insights by NIRA Dynamics, where innovation meets road safety, bridging the gap between data and decisive action for smarter, safer roads. Join us in redefining road safety and efficiency. Visit niradynamics.se to learn more about Road Insights.